She lost her eyesight because an eye doctor was overzealous and told her she needed cataract surgery, when in reality, she didn't need it at all. You want to learn what this is about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. I have a few minutes to share this great information with you. I'm at the American Association of Justice seminar here in Baltimore, Maryland. Now, she went in because she had some blurriness in her eye, and now she goes to her eye doctor to evaluate the condition. The doctor tells her she has a condition known as a cataract, which is a cloudiness of the lens. And what does he tell her to do? He says, listen, the only way to fix this is to have cataract surgery. Take out that cloudy lens, put in a nice clear one, and you'll be fine. He reassures her. And interestingly, he never bothers to explain to her the fact that she could go blind as a result of this procedure. And I will tell you that if she knew that that was one of the risks, she never, ever would have gone ahead with this particular surgery. Why? Because her vision wasn't that bad. It was just slightly blurry. And she didn't really complain about it, but she did notice it as she was driving down the highway. And so that's what prompted her to go to the eye doctor. Now, this eye doctor turns around, does these eye tests, and determines you need cataract surgery. Well, not only does he do the surgery, but during the course of the surgery, he does something that violates the basic standards of good medical practice. As a result of that, together with the fact that this patient never, ever should have had cataract surgery, this patient went blind as a direct result of that. So why do I share this quick story with you? I share it with you to give you one instance of a case that I handled where a patient had surgery where clearly the testing revealed she never, ever should have been recommended for that procedure. And by the way, if she never went ahead with that procedure, she would have been just fine for the next 5 or 10 years without ever having to undergo cataract surgery, and she could have lived with that for the next 5 or 10 years without a problem. You know, I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions of your own about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is call me. Pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, I do this every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.